What's up guys, I got a brand new video for you today, and we got the purple iPhone 14 Pro, and this is my first impressions. We're just gonna shoot with it, see what we can get. We're gonna shoot with Meg today. Got a cool outfit. We got the purple phone. We got good sunlight. How can we get a bad photo?
Impossible.
So we're using the main camera, which is looking amazing. Let's do kind of like a more of like a stance lean type thing, yeah. Bring your right arm in just a little. Yep, and then look off to your left. Yo, these are fire already. Let me show you these real quick.
Oh, yo, that pose looks good in that.
I hate this little orb we got, but...
Yeah, where did the orb come from?
That's just the iPhone's lens orb. That's a common problem. So in this video, I'm just going to be shooting photos with the ultra wide, the main lens, as well as the telephoto. I'm not doing any portrait mode. That's going to be a separate video coming soon. I'm just going to be shooting JPEG and some ProRAW. We can do some cool stuff where we stick the glass in front of the lens. So maybe like bring it up, like almost like you brought it up. Yeah. Love that. And look back towards the camera again. Nice. Love that. I actually like the fun pose too. Just lift your chin up just a bit higher. And we'll do the ultra wide. That's cool. So after like 6 years, Apple's finally updated the megapixel count in this camera. The main camera can now do 48 megapixels, but that's only if you shoot ProRAW. Otherwise, it's going to be a 12 megapixel downsampled image. But the cool thing is they also have a 2x crop that uses the center portion of that sensor that'll give you a 12 megapixel image. So every lens and sensor has been updated in this phone over the 13 Pro. The ultra wide is a 13mm f2.2, and that can also do macro, and it's 12 megapixels. The main camera is a 48 megapixel 24mm f1.78. It can also do the 2x crop that I mentioned before for a 12 megapixel image. And the telephoto is a 12 megapixel 77mm f2.8. And what's interesting is that the main camera is now a little bit wider. It used to be 26, 28 millimeters. It's now 24 millimeters. This is kind of a fun little dirty corner here. It smells like pee so bad in here.
There's a sign.
Like start out this far and just lean your back into it. I love the side profile. Yo, these are amazing. Look at this. Nobody has to know that it stinks like straight pee in here.
No, they don't have to know what the vibe is.
That's cool. The lighting looks amazing here. Do one more with the arms up. Yeah. Yeah, you're in a good spot there. Nice. Maybe looking down towards the sun, off to your left. Yeah, love that. Those are sick. Obviously having this 2x is really nice to have, but if you want to get the best of the best, you need to shoot that 48 megapixel main camera in ProRAW. You're going to be blown away at the image tonality, the colors, the detail coming straight off that sensor. I'm blown away. I didn't expect it to be that good, but it really is that good. Apple has some new image processing going on. They're calling the Photonic engine. They kind of like to give things a fancy name. It's basically kind of a rebranded Deep Fusion, but from what I see, it looks really good. But it does take a little bit longer to process when you're shooting RAW, especially when you're shooting the 48 megapixel. And if you're just shooting a regular JPEG, it's pretty much normal speed. All right, guys, thanks for watching this video.
Thank you.
Thanks to Meg for modeling. And that's the first impressions of the iPhone 14 Pro. I'm gonna be making some more videos, so stay tuned and get subscribed for those. But that's it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you dislike this video, give it a thumbs down twice. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. See you guys in the next video. Love awkward endings.
As do I.